Limat in Japanese means power, and we provide powerful content with powerful strategies so that you can remember the content forever. With our powerful live classes and presentations, you can actually learn with fun. From emerging technologies like ethical hacking, machine learning, data science, and web development to code programming concepts like data structures and algorithms, from live classes and daily doubt clearing to sharing the class recording for revision purpose, from guided assignments to proper assessments, Limat is your one-stop destination. Hey there, my name is Pradipta Chatterjee. I hope you all are doing great. I am a senior technical trainer and data scientist currently work with Limat Soft Solutions, and I will be there to guide you throughout your technical training and internship. The syllabus of each course is very systematically organized so that you can actually learn step by step and master the concept. So, what are you waiting for? Visit our website, or you can also call us on this number for more information. Hope to meet you soon in the course. Thank you so much.